Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to give a demonstration on the alcohol ink that I had made that I have mentioned in my previous video. I have a red bottle here, and I just wanted to give a video on how I actually made that alcohol ink. So it's just two simple ingredients. I use 50% rubbing alcohol. For this one, you can use the 91% if you want. But I just picked this up. I think I picked this up from the Dollar Tree. And my alcohol ink. I used permanent markers for my alcohol ink project here. So I have a lot of the permanent markers here. So I already have a blue made up and a red, so I'm gonna do this copper color here. So what I use, you're gonna have to have some scissors, and I had my Q-tip, or not Q-tip, but tweezers also. So what I do is I pour probably about a half a cup of the alcohol in the container, maybe a fourth a cup. I'm just going to pour it off. So this is maybe a third of a cup in here right now. And then to get my permanent marker out, I just take this off here, and I take my tweezers and I pull this, kind of wiggle the tip out. I didn't have much of a problem with my other ones, but let's see, try these. So I got these from the recycling center, and then I picked up a pack of, I think it comes in 8 of different colors of permanent markers from the Dollar Tree for $1.25. So this one hasn't been used at all, maybe to be a little, oh, there we go. So it just slipped on out. And then I just drop it in my alcohol. There's more inside of here. We just took the tip off there. So I take my shears, and actually got these from Dollar Tree also, and I just cut off, break off the edge of that. Oops. So there's my inside there. So just pull that out. So I can toss this away, and then I take this here and I just cut it up into my alcohol. So these colors were fairly similar, so I'll probably work and try to get this out also in a moment. But you just put the top on here, and I had buttons in here, so I'm just reusing my container. Just mix it up a little bit, and there's your alcohol ink that you can probably use for any of your art projects. This is a red one, like I mentioned, that I've made. I have purple also. So here's my purple. You see it just floating in there. I made these maybe about 2 weeks ago, and then I dyed some flowers, some petals. And these are petals that I got from the Dollar Tree, so they came in this pack here, and they were white, but I dyed them kind of a lavender color. So I did that by putting some of my flower petals in a container here, just a plastic cup that I got from Dollar Tree. And I just squirted some of my, I call ink on it. I am getting into the habit of making a lot of my craft supplies because I'm realizing that the more you get into it, the more expensive things become. So I just took a popsicle stick and I just stirred it up. I think I put a little bit too much ink in there. Don't need very much. And I'll probably dye these purple ones again to get a more intense purple color. So after I put those in there and swirled it around to get them completely covered, I just scraped them off onto some wax paper, and I just spread them out and then just let them dry. And it doesn't take very long for them to dry. They probably was dried in about half an hour or an hour. So there's my pink flowers that I'm probably going to dye again so that I can get them more of a reddish color instead of a pink. Alright, so then I ended up with purple flowers and red flowers, and I have a few ideas on what I want to do with my flowers, which I will do another demonstration using these flowers and probably dye some more of the petals blue with my blue alcohol ink, which is here with my green top. So it's going to be kind of confusing, but it's blue. Okay, so there we go. That's my demonstration. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and watch a few of my other videos, and stay tuned for an art project that I'm going to do using these pebbles. Thank you.